Hey, welcome to the channel. This is our 1998 Chevrolet Express changed by Quigley, which means 3-inch lift and 4x4. And here we have it, the awning from ARB, 2.5 meters, hence the name 2500. My wildest guess is that it's approximately 8.2 feet. You see one leg is shorter than the other because it is actually raining. Let's sneak a peek inside the van. See how it's built. In the back is the bed, rather large. Okay, I'm trying to install it here. It took me actually 1.5 hours, and I had to build my own modified tubing instead of the plastic tubing to get it straight, because the awning is actually leaning inwards towards the car. I appreciate that because when I take it off-roading, I don't want to get stuck in some trees. This is the first time I'm trying to do this. So when you buy yours and it looks as ridiculous as I, then you know when you do this the first time, it's actually kind of weird. But you do extract these two tubings. Like I said, I had to build my own 120-degree tube to make it fit, otherwise my awning would just stick into the air. Now I'm attaching the Velcro type system to make this stuck. Mine actually came with a LED strip that you can plug into the cigarette lighter. It's quite nice. You will see it very soon. All right, let's take a look. Here you see the LED is already operating. Like I said, one of these little legs is shorter. And now I can go into the van and out of the van without rain, or when it's sunny, I have protection from the sun. But mostly in our region, it's more the rain that I'm aiming on getting rid of. Hence the 2.5 meter awning on this Chevy Quigley. We call them the Quigley. And here you can see how I tried to get it back to where it belongs, and it was actually really a pain. I mean, I put these tubings back and I pushed it back and forth because it's actually the first time I'm doing this, and it wouldn't close. But once you get used to that fiddling it correctly inside, it actually closes quite neatly. And it's really close to the vehicle, so it's not going to get stuck into the trees. Yeah, shoveling it in and out, trying to get it to get back into the box. Well, finally made it. Thanks for watching.